Welcome to Court in the City. Hey guys, so I'm doing a little bit of a different video today because I'm out and about. I am going to get myself a plant today. I recently became a plant mom and I really love it. So today I'm going to this greenhouse in my area that I've heard so much about, and I'm going to see if I can get me a new little baby. So I'm going to take you guys with me. Let's see what cuteness I can find. So I'm done with my first trip to the greenhouse. I'm so excited I decided to spend my morning this way. It was a very light morning. It was very calm in there, not too many people, and I really had time to pick out the perfect plant for me. This is the first plant that I have purchased for myself. All of my plants have been gifts, so I was super excited to find a little baby that I can pick out on my own and start fresh and just love it and bring it to life. So I chose this plant. And it's a calathea or a calathea. I'm still learning. I've heard people pronounce it multiple ways, but a calathea or calathea or nada. Again, I'm new to this, so yeah, I'm really excited. And one of my gift flowers was a calathea, and I really love her. And I can't wait to show you guys her. And I might have already shown you guys my plants before this video. I don't know what order they're gonna come in, but this was my first trip. I'm super excited, and now I have a new baby and I can't wait to name her. So hopefully if you're looking to be a new plant mom, this helps you. Just go out there and get a plant, and if you kill it, it's okay. Like, we're learning and we can keep these babies alive. So thank you guys again for watching my video. I can't wait to show you the growth of my baby. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.